Working with classic Visual Basic projects and seeing VBW files alongside your VBP project files, these store ID workspace settings for your project. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through how Visual Basic workspace files function. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading VBW file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A VBW file is a workspace file used by the legacy Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 IDE. It stores information about the arrangement of windows and settings for a specific project group, VBG. Developers use this file to maintain a consistent and personalized layout when working on complex applications with multiple forms and modules. The VBW file is a simple text-based INI file. It contains key value pairs that define the position, size, and state of various IDE windows. This plain text design was chosen for its simplicity and ease of parsing, allowing the Visual Basic environment to quickly load and apply user-specific layout preferences without complex processing. The ideal software for creation and opening of VBW is Visual Basic 6.0 from Microsoft. The operating system provides little information on the file's internal components. Windows may open them in a text or config editor, but they should be modified only when you understand their effect. We are performing a full check of installed file handlers. Right-click your VBW file and choose Open With. Test with Visual Basic 6.0 first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is usually a simple software swap. If your VBW file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening with VB project. Open the associated VBP project file in Visual Basic 6.0 IDE rather than the VBW file directly. Visual Basic automatically reads the matching VBW file and restores the workspace layout, including open code windows, form designers, and panel positions. This restores your previous editing context for productive development. Next, examining in Text Editor. Open the VBW file in Notepad or Notepad++ to view the workspace settings as readable text. Each line defines window positions or panel states for project components. Manual editing is generally unnecessary, as Visual Basic regenerates the file based on current workspace configuration when saving the project. Finally, resetting workspace. If a corrupted VBW file causes VB IDE issues, delete the file safely. Visual Basic creates a new VBW file with default workspace settings the next time you open the associated VBP project. The project itself remains intact since VBW files only store IDE preferences, not actual source code or project structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.